This is one of the first cars I come across that I am obsessed with. Wow. This is beautiful. I don't even know what this is. Looks like everyone's still setting up. It's the day before. That's crazy. I'm surprised they're gonna have this done by tomorrow. See what's going on over there.
Obviously, coloring has been huge. You can see the inspiration. Troy V and I worked on that.
It's day one for me at SEMA. I'm a little nervous because I'm here by myself and there's a lot of people, but hopefully we see some cool cars today. Any Fast and the Furious fans? Wow, this is super cool. I love this. Oh my gosh. I think it's so cool the way Chevy lays out the engines like this, so you can take like a really good look at them, and then also they give you the specs on them. Wow. This thing is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Wow, these wheels are so good. I don't even know what they are. The red is perfect. The inside. What a beauty. Wow, look at the body on the seat. I love the gold. The inside is so simple. I wish you could see the flake on camera, but you can't. But the flake is so good. Oh, this thing is wide as heck. That's how little my hand is. Wow. Just came across this beauty here. Some nice Volk wheels. This thing is really mint. I think what got my attention was the fact that it has an SR. Just like I do. Except mine doesn't look anything like this, of course. Wow, that's amazing.
Clean and looking from the back. This actually will get nickel plated after SEMA. We just, the painter had this and I didn't get it back until super late. The subframes, everything underneath was all powder coated. The bottom of the car is all Raptor linered. The owner picked out the flowers and the glitter in them, and then we picked out the style, and he poured the resin and made all the mirrors. He assembled them and everything.
These seats are so amazing.
Took it to paint, painter had it for a little bit, got it back, and then what to do, but when we get it back, then within like 2 weeks we'll have it back.
All carbon fiber. Look at that. Whoa! I don't know why I was immediately drawn to this car. This thing is so cool. It's obviously a Mercedes, it's not a Tesla. These wheels are super Hot Boy wheels, but it's so cool. This is the inside. Oh my goodness. And honestly, the color is perfect. This is the color, this is the exact same brown. I want to repaint the TE. It's just such a good brown. It looks like the OEM brown that I used to have. Wow, that's so good. So good. If you guys didn't know, an FD is probably one of my dream chassis. I think they're so beautiful. Even in their most stock form. This thing is cool. I like it. This is the back. Another one of my favorites. Oh, this thing's amazing. I'm a big fan of this blue. It's like the new 4Runner blue. Wow. And with these wheels, they're like a bronze color. That's perfect. I love this color combo. The blue with the bronze. Wow. These tires are, oh my lanta. Wow. That's really wide. What size are these? 345, 30, 19. Wow. I think this is a G-Wagon on steroids. Oh my god. Wow. Alright, so I'm running now. Trying to make it to a seminar about women in motorsports. And I can't find the room. It is day 3 of SEMA. I'm currently on my way. I don't think I've vlogged any other day. I've shown some footage of cars, but today is my actual first day of vlogging, so I'm really excited. I'm out here looking at Hertz's car now. His A86 with 11 front end. This thing is sick. Those wheels, fire. I love those wheels. He has a harness bar from Street Faction, which they used my car to 3D scan, which is cool. So he has it on his Corolla, the NRG seats, that custom NRG steering wheel. The car isn't running yet, but that's the beam swap. This thing's gonna sound so nice once he actually gets it running. So shout out to him for representing the Corollas out here. It's not as crowded as I thought it would be, but look at this.
He's friendly, say hi.
I want a truck so bad, like one of these with a camper. Wow, this is cool. Oh, the stitching, nice. Ooh, it has 2 stitchings. That's really nice. Huh? The snorkel. This is cool. This is really cool. I don't know how to vlog here. It's so overwhelming. It's so overwhelming. There's so much to look at, so I don't know what to show.
So this is what I do.
Yeah.
Like, you see how I'm looking at this car? I try to make it as if they haven't seen it before.
Okay.
And I try to tell them, like, so I got to think of everything, like, because Josh doesn't watch YouTube on cars.
I do watch YouTube on cars. I watch Donut Media, the best fucking media
Let
on
'em know.
YouTube.
No.
Yeah, one of these yet?
Oh my gosh, can I have one?
Yes, of course you can.
You just got to talk to them like you FaceTiming somebody.
Yeah.
Do you FaceTime people?
No.
Don't lie to me.
No, I don't really talk to anybody.
You know what? The weird thing is, like, I try to get over like, I'm filming something and I feel awkward, but you gotta just, like,
I know.
talk to the camera like you're talking to somebody. It's hard at first, but once you get a rhythm down, you got this.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. That was, and you're supposed to say the best YouTube channel is Gary King Jr., not Donut Media.
But they do explanations. He does something different. We yell.
Bro, we supposed to hype ourselves? Hold on.
Yeah.
It's Donut.
Donut's not paying you.
You're not.
Facts.
Where's James? James, you gotta pay us. Nonsense, you feel me? I mean, you was focused, you know what I'm saying?
You can't have like good luck all the time, you know?
When we
Sport, everything needs to line up.
left in the warehouse.
Alright, so this is SEMA. There's a lot of different vendors, a lot of cars on display. There's everything here. Pistons, wheels, tires, oil. Anything you can think of is here. There's also seminars. I'm going to a seminar later on today at 4 o'clock. It's a women's seminar That's one thing that I love about SEMA, is that there's like a lot of things you can do outside of just, it's not just looking at cars. There's a lot of like activities you can do, like I said, like the seminars. Also, I'm trying to go to the 3M booth because 2019 they let you play around with their vinyl and like wrap stuff, and I'm really into that and like learning new techniques, even though I haven't wrapped a car in a minute. I guess this is an electric Mustang that just came out, but I love this color. This color is, wow, this color is fire. These wheels, I'm really feeling these wheels. This is really cool. I'm a fan. There's a white one. The wing on the white one is pretty cool too. This is apparently this is a Tesla experience. So we're gonna hop in a Tesla that goes through a tunnel. We're on our way to West Hall right now so we can see the Nissan. It looks like there's a lot of people here though, so I don't know. Some Squid Game shit. Wow. This is cool. How many loops have you done today? A lot?
Maybe like 40, 50.
Oh, that was it. This was our Tesla. It was really fast. Now we're here. It was cool. We just went through this tunnel and now we're here.
Oh, they're right there.
Walking back to the hotel now. I'm covered in tire. Look at my arm. And I couldn't even walk. I couldn't even walk because I have rubber everywhere. But that was fun. Hopefully someday I can drive it.